All right, let's talk about a question that's probably on the mind of every single developer right now. With all these AI coding assistants popping up, how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, today we're going to clear that up by putting three big players head-to-head: Anti-Gravity, Claude Code, and Cursor.
Welcome to the NVO's channel. Here we share actionable insights on web design, SEO, paid advertising, and AI automation. Every one of our explainers is packed with practical strategies you can use right away to build smarter systems, get better traffic, and really scale your business with confidence. Let's jump in.
If you're a developer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It feels like there's been an absolute explosion of AI coding tools, right? It's honestly kind of overwhelming just trying to figure out where you should even begin.
So we're not going to do just another tech review. We're going to reframe this whole thing. See, it's not about finding the quote-unquote best tool. It's about finding the right AI partner for the way you actually work, for your workflow.
So here's our game plan. We're going to look at three different types of developers: the Automator, the Collaborator, and the Copilot. We'll match a tool to each one, and then we'll wrap it all up with a really simple decision framework to help you make the call.
Okay, first up, the Automator. You know who you are. Your mantra is pretty much, get it done. You're all about speed, efficiency. You're laser-focused on moving projects along and getting results like yesterday.
For the Automator, the perfect AI partner is Anti-Gravity. This tool was literally built from the ground up for one thing: end-to-end automation. It's all about closing the gap between your idea and the finished product as fast as possible.
And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? You're not micromanaging Anti-Gravity. You give it a high-level task, a goal, and it just goes. It tries to handle the whole process from start to finish. It's incredibly powerful when your main objective is just pure speed.
All right, next up we have the Collaborator. This is the kind of developer who doesn't just want the answer. You want to get the logic behind the answer. For you, understanding why is just as important as the code itself.
And the tool for the Collaborator is Claude Code. Now, this is a completely different animal. It's not a pure automation machine. It's designed to be a thinking partner. It'll help you work through tricky logic, refactor your code, and really tackle problems in a thoughtful, step-by-step way.
You know, this is the key difference right here. Using Claude Code feels less like you're giving orders and more like you're having a conversation. You're not just getting a block of code. You're actually getting a deeper understanding of it while you work.
And that brings us to our last profile, the Copilot. This is for the developer who loves being in the driver's seat. You want that powerful AI help for sure, but you don't ever want to give up control of the keyboard. You're the pilot. The AI is your trusted Copilot.
For the Copilot, the clear winner is Cursor. And the most important thing to get about Cursor is that it's not some separate tool you have to switch to. No, it is your code editor, just with AI woven right into its DNA, which makes for some incredibly smooth support.
And that's really the main appeal. When you're using Cursor, you are still the one writing the code, making the big decisions, and steering the ship. The AI is just right there in your editor, ready to help you out when you ask it to. It's all about making you better, not replacing you.
Okay, so we've met our three developer types and their go-to AI partners. Now, let's pull it all together into a dead simple framework to help you figure out where you fit.
Honestly, it doesn't get much easier than this. Just look at that top row. Do you want the AI to do most of the heavy lifting for you? Well, then you're the Automator, and Anti-Gravity is your tool. Do you want a partner to help you think through problems and explain things? You're the Collaborator, and you should give Claude Code a spin. And if you want AI help right inside your editor while you stay in full control, you're the Copilot, and Cursor was built just for you.
And that's really the big takeaway here. There is no single best AI coding tool. The best tool is the one that just melts into your personal workflow, the one that boosts your strengths and helps you build better and smarter in the exact way you like to work. So as we wrap this up, I'll just leave you with this question to think about. After hearing about these three profiles, the Automator, the Collaborator, and the Copilot, which one sounds like you? And which of these amazing AI partners are you going to choose to build with next?